Here we go, second T20 international.
Well done, bhai. Well done, bhai. Well done. Shabba Hare. Well done, Hare.
Fuller, down the wicket, in the air, straight enough. The first boundary of the second T20 international. First over's done, it's 6 without loss.
Boundaries and sixes. Nice, very nice. Straight away, these batters, they have started to trust the surface.
Oh yes, Brian Bennett's come to play.
He didn't move, did he? And just held the ball on its way and did the distance. That's a good start. That's what the captain wants when he win the toss and decide to bat.
Yes, this is what I say when there's something to love and something to get excited about. Amir Sahel.
That's in the air, into the gap, one bounce over the boundary line. And Pakistani lineup got a bit of movement, but dealt very nicely by Bennett. Just opened the face of the bat at the last moment, which has been provided.
Oh, just short of backward point. Timed. He'll pick up 4 again here, Bennett. In the air, gone. Looking for the boundary. Taib Tahir, cover, good catch.
It was short, dragged it back, but made sure there was not a lot of room for the left-hander to work with. And that's where he faltered.
1.4. Short, now that's gone up a long way. Hasn't got the distance and the catch is taken. It's a shot that he plays quite well, Brian Bennett, but when it's a lot higher.
The last 8 deliveries going along so well. It's another breakthrough for Pakistan. Caught high on the bat, looking for elevation, but it's not the middle of the bat this time. Can only find.
And the captain's gone. It's a good length, just nips off the seam, back into the stumps.
From the start of his spell, the right lines, and that's that hard in-between length, coming forward, not going back.
Side. Oh, now that looks good. It looks very good. Fostam Tizwa lifts the finger.
Slower, fuller, and Dion Myers plays all around that, and that's a pretty easy to see the room he was looking for.
That looks good as well, and it's given. Sufyan Mukim into the attack.
A little bit quicker, straighter. Look at it. It's going to turn in on Ryan Bull. Same situation. Look.
32 in the first T20I. And they've lost another. That is an absolute beauty of a delivery. First up to anybody.
And a name that will be around for a long time. Looking at his displays here.
What a catch. Outstanding. It's been the wrong one that's been causing problems for the Zimbabwean batsman.
The front of the hand, and it's flat and quick. Found the outside edge. And a good catch for the captain. Closer to the stumps.
Bowled him. He's got another one. He's getting wickets for fun here at the Queen Sports
The
Club.
line of the stumps and quick.
That'll be out. And it is. Pretty straightforward decision for Foster Mutizwa to make. For 2. Oh, he's gone for the slog sweep. It's gone straight up in the air. And Madande is gone. The final wicket falls. Zimbabwe 57 all out. Their lowest total in T20 internationals. The collapse spanned just 20 runs. 37 for none.
Marumani and Bennett got a start up front, and then it was the introduction of Abbas Afridi. Really broke the batting of Zimbabwe, picking up Marumani.
5 wickets for Mukim in just 2.4 overs. He was the outstanding man for Pakistan. Just 3 runs off his spell, the chief destroyer.
Already some signs of turn for Sikandar Azhar out there.
And bit of grip.
That's been a little bit of room outside the line above stump and allows Omer bin Yusuf to find the first boundary of this Pakistan run chase.
Ayub. This will help his cause. A bit of pace with that delivery and dealt with quite nicely by the opener.
And this time it's banged in by Ngarawa, and he's gone over that vacant slip area, third slip area.
Edged. And boundary number 4.
Again, could have win. And he's given himself room and smashed it. And it's our big 6 over backward point. First one for Omer bin Yusuf.
20 against the same bowler, Mazharabani, backing away from the leg stump, creating that room to slice the ball off the face of the...
And that would have been a tough chance. It was in the air for a little bit, but it is another boundary for Saima. Paces and angles. But this one's been picked up. This one's been picked up. And this one has gone all the way. Saima Ayub again picked it early, got himself into a good position and smashed it away for 6.
Yes. Yeah, you bowl slow deliveries. First 3 were very good, but last 2 slow deliveries turned out to be scoring opportunities for some.
Targeting that short boundary, and he's absolutely smashed it.
He was looking to get out of the crease, Ayub.
That is over the backward point. Clive Madande is doing the work. That's Wellington Masakadza, who's kind of stayed down after trying to pick up that as the scores are now tied. There it is, it's been crashed away to the boundary. Backward of point, past a diving Trevor Gwandu as Pakistan win the second T20 international at Queen's Sports Club.
And have won the series.
61 without loss. And then we're going to just take a break. And we'll come back with the post. Single bowler struggled today. Raza 11 of his 1 over. Zarabani went at 14 and over, and Gwandu at 13. Very simple run chase. This is the match summary. Having won the toss, Zimbabwe chose to bat first and were 57 all out. Mokim picking up 5 wickets for 3 runs.